guys, it's time for number 7. Now, I don't have a book about number 7. Working on finding one, but I haven't found it yet. But I did find this really cool book about number 1. So, I didn't have it when we did number 1, but hey, Miss Franco's been on a quest to find number books. And I found this one, and I thought, hey, since I got it, let's read it, even though it's not the number we're working on, number 7. Could be a really fun book. What do you think? Let's find out. 1. Blue was a quiet color. He enjoyed looking up at the sky. He loved floating on the waves. And on days he felt daring, he's splashing in rain puddles. Every once in a while, he wished he could be more sunny like yellow, or bright like green, or regal like purple, or outgoing like orange. But overall, he liked being blue, except when he was with Red. Red was a hothead. Means he got angry easy. He liked to pick on Blue. Red is a great color, he'd say. Red is hot. Blue is not. Then Blue would feel bad about being blue. Sometimes Yellow comforted Blue. Blue's a very nice color, she'd say. But Yellow never said that in front of Red. She never said, stop picking on Blue. Green, purple, orange thought Blue was nice too, but they never told Red to stop either. Every time Red said something mean and no one spoke up, he got bigger and bigger and bigger. Soon Red grew so big that everyone was afraid of him. No one dared stop him. Red picked on all the colors. Then everyone felt a little blue. Until one came. He had a different shape with bold strokes and square corners. He was funny. He made the colors laugh. Red saw this and got very hot. Stop laughing, he told Yellow. Stop laughing, he told Green. Stop laughing, he told Purple and Orange. And they did. Red rolled up to one. Stop laughing, he told him. But one stood up straight like an arrow and said, no. Red was mad, but one wouldn't budge, so Red rolled away. One turned to the colors and said, if someone is mean and picks on me, I, for one, stand up and say, no. Then Yellow felt brave and said, me too. Green agreed and said, me 3. Then Purple became 4 and Orange became 5. Blue saw the colors change and he wanted to count. Red grew hot. He felt left out. He grew hotter and hotter and hotter. Red raced over to Blue and said what he always did. Red is hot. Blue is not. But this time, Blue stood up tall and became 6. Red can be really hot, he said, but Blue can be super cool. Red blew a fuse and tried to roll over Blue. But everyone took up a stand and said, no! Seeing them standing tall made Red feel very, very, very small. Then Red turned even redder and began rolling away. Blue called out, Red can be hot and Blue can be cool. Red stopped in his tracks. Red can count too, said one. Red rocked and rolled and turned into 7. everyone counts, they shouted, and Red laughed and joined the fun. Hey, it's our number. Sometimes it just takes one. Pretty cool, right? I like that story. It's not nice to be mean to people. It's nice to stand up for each other and treat each other kindly. And I like how they figured that out in this book. And I love how it had those numbers. 7. All right, so let's talk about 7, right? How about we count to 7? Let's use our fingers first, and then we'll get fancy with my counter. Okay, ready? Let's count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We counted 7 on our fingers. Now, let's get fancy and pull out my counter. All right, ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's count it a different way this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's look at this. I have 1, 2 here, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I know that there's 7 in all, so I know that 2 and 5 more is 7. But which one has more, the top or the bottom? The bottom, right? And then which one has less? The top. 2 is less than 5. 5 is more than 2. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's do it again. Ooh, let's use red this time, just to spice it up, make it a little different. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have up on top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have on the bottom? 1. So we counted 7, so we know there's 7 in all. And we know we have 6 and 1 more make 7, right? Okay, good job. Now, which one has more? The top with 6 or the bottom with 1? The top, right? Good job. And now, which one has less? The bottom with 1, right? 1 is less than 6, and 6 is more than 1. Okay, let's do it one more time. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we counted our 7. How many do we have on top? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have on bottom? 1, 2, 3. So we know there's 7 in all because we counted them. And we know that 3 and 4 together make 7. Okay. Now next question. Which one has more? Top or bottom? Right? The top, because it has 4. And so that means the bottom has less, because it has 1, 2, 3. 3. 3 on the bottom, 4 on top. 4 is more than 3. 3 is less than 4. All right, good job, you guys. I like how you're working with me. Okay, so let's look at, so we showed a bunch of different ways to count 7, right? And to make 7. Using 3 and 4, we made 7. Using 5 and 2, we made 7. Using 6 and 1, we made 7. Yeah, I just did that. Cool, right? I know Miss Trey goes crazy. It happens. Too much time at home. It'll do it to me every time. All right, guys, let's check out what I've got for different ways to show 7 now, okay? First off, oops, let me drop that. What shape is this? There are stars, right? And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. Okay, so let's see. Oh, oops, didn't mean to do that. This is the word 7, right? S-E-V-E-N spells the word 7. So that's the word 7. There's the number 7. There's 7 stars. It's our tens frame of 7 dots, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more until we get to 10? How many of our 10 squares are empty? 1, 2, 3, right? Only 3 more until we get to 10. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see. What else do I got in here? Oh, these are tally marks. And you remember how they always cross at 5. So I know this group right here is 5 because it's got the line across it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool, right? Okay, so we've got 7. What else do I got here? Oh, I've got 7 grapes, right? I like the green grapes. Those are my favorite. Let's see. I've got a domino with 7 dots. Cool, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. See what else do I got? I've got, oh, this one's cool. Okay, so you know how we normally only have 1 die? Now we're at 2 dice because the biggest number you can get on 1 die is 6. So we had to put another one to make 7. So 6 dots and 1 more is 7 on our dice. It's easier to say dice than die. Weird, but it is. Okay, and 1 more. We have guitars. 7 guitars. Pretty cool. All right, so those are our different ways to show 7. Clock's gotta have its say. Okay, guys, so now we've talked about 7. We've counted 7. We've looked at all the different ways to show 7. We read a book with 7 in it. Here's your test. Are you ready? Which number is 7? Point to it. Is it this one or is it this one? Which one? Did you point? Good, because we all know it's this one. All right, so I don't know if this one will stand up in here. Let's try it. Whoa. It's going to have to lay down. 7's tired. It's got to lay down. It's been working hard. All right, so now let's count. How many monkeys do we need to count? 7, right? Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And look, they're the same. They match. They're the same. 7 monkeys. Number 7. Oh, we did it. All right, good job, you guys. I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Go count 7 things. Don't forget about that. That's important. I counted 7. We counted 7 together. Now go do it by yourself. Bye.